In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Outlook on the web. Whether you're new to Outlook or just need a quick refresher, this straightforward tutorial will guide you through the process, step by step, ensuring you can easily reach your email right from your browser. To get started, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar, which is typically located at the top of the window. This is where you'll begin your journey to accessing Outlook on the web. Now, in the search bar, type in Google. It's a widely used search engine and most people are already familiar with it. This is simply to ensure we start from a common access point. Go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard and it will take you to the Google homepage. From here you'll be conducting a specific search that will lead you directly to your Outlook login page. Once you're on the Google homepage, take a moment to locate the search bar. You'll find it right at the center of the page. Click on it to begin making your search. Now type the word Outlook into the search bar. As soon as you've typed that in, press enter. This will prompt Google to search for Outlook related results across the web. Here you'll see a list of results appear on your screen, most of which will have to do with Outlook, a product by Microsoft that's used for managing emails, calendars, and contacts. The next step is to look for a link or result that says something like Outlook Login Microsoft 365. This particular link is your gateway to logging into Outlook from your web browser. Once you find the link labeled as Outlook Login Microsoft 365, you'll want to go ahead and click on it. This link will direct you to the official Outlook login page, hosted on the Microsoft 365 website. Being on the official page ensures that your login process is secure and that you're accessing your account in a safe manner. It's important to be cautious when navigating to login pages to protect your personal information. After clicking the link, you'll be taken to the Microsoft page where you should now be able to see the Outlook home interface. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, you're almost there. Look for a button or link which says sign in. It's usually quite noticeable, positioned prominently on the page because Microsoft wants users to easily find and access their emails. Clicking on the sign in button will take you to a secure login screen where you'll need to enter your credentials. This typically involves inputting your email address associated with your Outlook account. Ensure you have this information at hand. If you forget your email, you may need to retrieve it through account recovery processes provided by Microsoft. Once you've entered your email, hit next. The page will then prompt you to enter your password. This is the key you need to access your account, so make sure you type it in correctly. Take a moment to double check this before proceeding, as entering the wrong password multiple times can sometimes cause temporary locking of your account. After typing in your password, click on sign in. This action will direct your browser to load your Outlook account, where you can view your inbox, check your emails, and utilize the many other features that Outlook offers online. If you entered both your email and password correctly, you should now be logged into your Outlook account and able to navigate the interface as needed. In case you encounter any issues with signing in, like forgetting your password, there are typically links provided directly on the login page to help you through the process, such as Forgot Password. Following these will allow you to reset your password and regain access to your account. And there you have it. You're all set to start using Outlook on the web. From here you can manage your emails, schedule meetings via the calendar, and even store contacts. The web version of Outlook is robust and offers many of the features available in the desktop application, all accessible from any device with internet connectivity. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel confident accessing your Outlook account on the web. If you have any questions or need further clarification, be sure to check the comments section below or consult additional resources. Thanks for watching and have a great day managing your emails with Outlook.